Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatan min lisani yafqahu qawli. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The topic that we are going to be doing today is vectors. We will be solving the medium questions. Before I start the paper, I just wanted to tell you all that the revenue collected for the first 6 months will be generated to the cause of Palestine, inshallah. So please do make sure to like, subscribe, and share my channel. Thank you. So the first question that we have over here is that it says find the magnitude of VW. Whenever you have a question like this, it means magnitude. Now how do we find magnitude? First of all, you will write VW like this. Magnitude means you will under root this whole thing and you will add 10 square with negative 24 square. So I have just taken out my calculator and let's see, 10 square plus negative 24 square, it's 26. Alright, so your answer for this question will be 26. Now we will move on to our next question. The next question says we have AB, the column vector of AB, BC and DC. The question says find AC. Now look guys, in order to find AC, we will do AB plus BC because we want to go all the way from A till B. So the column vector for AB is 6, negative 1 plus the column vector for BC is negative 2, 5. Alright, 6 plus negative 2 is 4. Negative 1 plus 5 is also 4. So this means AC is going to be 4, 4. Alright, the next question says find the column vector BD. Now look, BD actually means BC plus CD. Alright, BC plus CD. However, since we do not have CD, we have DC. So this will become BC and we will subtract DC from it actually. Alright, if you like study vectors, there is a rule that if the first and the last term are same, we add, but if it's not the same, we subtract. So BC is negative 2, 5, negative DC is 2, negative 3. So this becomes negative 2, negative 2, negative 4, 5, negative is plus. So 5 plus 3 is 8. So your answer is negative 4, 8. Now in the next question it says that we have to find the magnitude of BC. So look, how will you find the magnitude? Again, under root. What are the two terms? Negative 2 and 5. So you will write negative 2 square plus 5 square. So this will become negative 2 square is 4 plus 5 square is 25. So this becomes under root 29. Under root 29 is 5.385. So this will become 5.39. So this is your answer. Okay, question number 3. It says find 2p plus q. These questions are very easy. 2p basically means 2 multiplied by p, which is 4, 5, plus the value of q is negative 2, 7. So this becomes 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, plus negative 2, 7. 8 plus minus is negative, so 8 minus 2 is 6, and 10 plus 7 is 17. So your answer is 617. Moving on to the next question, it says find the magnitude of P. Again, you will do the same thing. 4 square plus 5 square. So this becomes 4 square is 16 plus 5 square is 25. This becomes 41, and under root 41 is equals to 6.403. Alright. Moving on to our next question, we have, it says find 3a minus 2b. Alright, so we will do 3 multiplied by a, which is minus 3 and 2, minus 2b, which is 5 and 4. So this becomes minus 9, 3 2s are 6, minus 2 5s are 10, and 2 4s are is 8. So minus 9 minus 10 is minus 19. 6 minus 8 is negative 2. So your answer is minus 19 minus 2. And since this is vectors, we do not remove the negative signs. Remember that. Now next part is find the magnitude of A. Again, you will do negative 3 square plus 2 square. This becomes 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4 is under root 13. And under root 13 is equivalent to 3.61. Now next question, we have question number 5. It says find the column vector AB. So look, AB basically means OB minus OA. Always remember this. So this becomes 5 6 minus OA is 3 2. Alright, so 5 minus 3 is 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. So it's 2 4. Now moving on, we have to find the magnitude of AB. So this becomes 2 square plus 4 square, which is 2 square is 4 plus 4 square is 16. This becomes under root 20. Under root 20 is equals to 4.47. Alright guys. Moving on to question 6, we have find the magnitude of OB. So OB basically means OA plus AB. Alright, so OA is 4 3 plus AB is 8 negative 7. This becomes 4 plus 8 is 12. 3 minus 7 is negative 4. So the answer is 12 negative 4. But remember, this is not our final answer. Why? Because we need to find the magnitude. So magnitude would become 12 square plus negative 4 square. So this becomes 144 plus 16. 144 plus 16 is 160. Alright. Which is equivalent to 12.64. So your answer is actually 12.6. Alright, it's not 12 negative 4, it's 12.6. Now, next question says we need to find BC. Now look, we already know that AC is equals to AB plus BC, which means BC is equals to AC minus AB. Alright, so BC is equals to AC is negative 3 6. Alright, negative AB is a negative 7. So this will become BC is equals to negative 3 negative 8 is negative 9 10 11. 6 negative negative is positive. So 6 plus 7 is 13. So your answer is negative 11 13. Moving on to our next question, it says find the magnitude of the vector. So again, magnitude negative 1 square plus 7 square. So it's 1 plus 49. It is under root 50, which is equivalent to 7.07. So your answer is 7.1. Alright, and this is your answer. So I hope you all were able to understand from it. My only request is please to like, subscribe, share my channel. Make sure that this content reaches out to people who really need it. And inshallah, all the revenue generated will go for the cause of Palestine for the first 6 months, inshallah. So that's all about it. I hope you guys were able to learn something, and I hope this video helped you. If you guys have any other questions, please do mention them in the comments below. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum.